Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Check this one out. There's so many cool colors. It says Crush on the top. I wonder if this is part of Camp Crush. It's Mega Rex. And then who's that right there? Oh, it's Chuck. It's Chuck the monster truck. Let's see what's in the shark. Check this one out over here. It's Scoops from the Dirt Squad. It's a pretty cool looking monster truck. And then we've got Dragonoid over here too. It's a really cool orange color. I like this one a lot. What about this? It's Roger Dodger, but it's a special edition Vampire Spooky Halloween Roger Dodger. We've got One Bad Scoop. It's an ice cream monster truck. Oh, another Dragonoid, but this one's red this time. Check it out, look at them side by side. Orange and red. It's pretty cool. Look at this. It's glow in the dark bone shape. Destroyer. This one's a really cool old monster truck. It's a Monster Jam Destroyer monster truck. And then we've got Volkswagen Turbo Drag Box. It's got a jet engine and it goes super duper fast. It's pretty cool. Oh look, a different Roger Dodger. This is a regular street racing Roger Dodger. It's got super fast tires on it, see? The big back tires and the skinny front tires. Big engine up there. Then we've got SpongeBob. That's a cool monster truck. And what about this one over here? It's Aqua Stallion. It's a water horse. Then we've got Water Zombie, the Blue Zombie, the Ice Zombie. I don't know which one it is. Which one do you think is better? Oh, look at the superhero over here. It's Superman. I like this one a lot too. It's Superman. Flies around and saves people. And then we've got another cool one. It's Podium Crasher. I like this one a lot. This pink color is really cool and it's got those mud tires. Then we've got Mohawk Warrior, Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. That's another super cool monster truck. Uh-oh, I dropped it. Let's see all the monster trucks we found today. Found Ice Zombie, Ice Horse, or Water Zombie and Water Horse, Aqua Stallion. We got Red Dragonoid, Orange Dragonoid, Susan the Shark, Chuck the Truck, Mega Rex, Scoop, Roger Dodger Vampire, One Bad Scoop, Glow in the Dark Bone Shaker, Destroyer, Volkswagen Drag Bus, Super Fast Roger Dodger, SpongeBob, Spider-Man, Podium Crasher, and Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. Let's count all the monster trucks we found. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 monster trucks. That's a lot of monster trucks. Which one was your favorite today? I really like the Dragonoid ones. We got the orange one and the red one, so these two are my favorites today. Pretty cool. We'll see you next time, friends.